How to solve assertion and reason questions in NEET Biology. Follow this simple trick to avoid confusion. This video will guide you through a simple trick to solve them effectively. Assertion and reason questions consist of two statements. The assertion presents a fact or concept, while the reason explains it. Your task is to determine if both statements are true and if the reason correctly explains the assertion. Follow these 4 steps. First, read the assertion carefully. Next, read the reason with equal attention. Then, check if both statements are true. Finally, decide if the reason logically explains the assertion. In NEET, your answer choices are: both statements are true, and the reason explains the assertion. Both are true, but the reason does not explain the assertion. The assertion is true, but the reason is false, or vice versa. Consider this example. Assertion: enzymes are highly specific in their action. Reason: enzymes function by lowering the activation energy of reactions. What's the correct answer? Both statements are true, but the reason does not explain the assertion. Therefore, the correct answer is option 2. If the reason contains a why explanation, it's likely correct. If it merely states another fact, it's probably incorrect. Fast-track your NEET Biology revision with bio notes. These concise, high-yield notes are perfect for quick revision. Visit u.acebio.in to download now.